Morning everybody, Monday morning. Woohoo! Look how foggy it is. It's like pea soup out there. And the kids are back at school, so the traffic's a nightmare. Lovely. It's going to be fun driving about in this. Yeah, oh, not a good night last night. It was so damn hot, so hot, and Denise was snoring and she ended up on the sofa sleeping, and she was a bit quiet this morning. I don't know, well, I know she was woke up at like 4 o'clock by one of the cats trying to break out of the cat flap because it was locked. But I haven't had that much out of her this morning. But I'm just off to work now, so see what the day brings. Afternoon, 1:45 in the afternoon. Tell you what, the weather's much nicer. Nice and sunny. The sun came out about 10:30 this morning, and it just sort of burned away all the mist, you know. So yeah, I've just come past it. I've just left one of the places that I go to. And the police were all lined up along the side of the road. Looked like they were going to search some wooded area there for something. Had camera tripods and whatever else they had in their hands, you know. So, but they were all pointing towards this little wooded area. It's not a very big wooded area, but it's a wooded area. Wonder who they're looking for, or what they're looking for. Whatever, you know. I've come to pick Georgia up from school. She's doing homework club, and it's now 5:05 and there's no sign of her yet. She's never out in a hurry. Tell you what, it's getting dark these days. Very dark. Can't wait to get home, get me shorts on and relax. I'm looking forward to me dinner, me tea. I am starving. I demolished me dinner by about 1:30 today, which is unusual. Normally I come home with stuff, but today I was particularly hungry and I've just demolished everything. So pretty peckish now. Looking forward to my tea. Oh my god. Napalm onions from Aldi. They're stinging. We're having meatballs tonight. Denise is away to the shops, but I'm busy making them. That's them cooking away in the onions there. We put some mushrooms in and get the sauce in. The water's boiling. Well, it will be soon anyway. Cats are fed. That's pretty much it. Just waiting for Denise coming home now. Sorry. Daughter's watching her Lost. So she is. Denise is doing the island. So she is. And I'm busy editing the weekend's vlog. So I am. Yeah. Oh, big stretchy back's aching a bit. It's a funny old night. Strange, quiet.
Funny haha or strange?
Strange. I don't know why. I think it's just because I got home late after being late back from school and everything. It's knocked everything out of sync. Just I tell you what, my eyes are still stinging even good couple of hours or so, 2 or 3 hours since cutting the onions. My eye is still stinging. Them napalm onions from Aldi. Yes.
They want to have a health warning on them.
They need a health warning on them things. It should come with sort of like chemical warfare suit and everything to wear while you're cutting them. Really strong. How's your day been, honey?
Good, busy.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Glad to be home.
Yeah, but bad night for you. We're woken up 4 o'clock by cats trying to break out of the cat flap.
Yes. Sorry, I broke them out. I let them out.
Yeah. Yeah, but I bet you didn't want to be getting up to like open the back door at that time. No. And how's your day been at school?
Did you do literacy?
Did you do literacy?
I never do literacy.
She never does. She never does literacy. Well, what do you think literacy is?
Literacy is totally different in English.
Literacy is totally different to English.
It's not totally different, but it's different.
It's part of English.
It's different though.
Makes sense of that. It's part of English, but it's different.
It's a part of English,
It's a part of English. Thank you.
but it's different.
Yes.
So it's not.
I'm going to show you this. Oh, by the way, look. Hey. The light.
have light.
We have light in the fridge. Yes. I fixed it. Denise bought these the other day. George has just asked which one I want. I picked it and she goes, oh, well, I wanted that one.
I'm not really called
Toffee apples or chocolate flavoured coated apples. I wanted this one. The chocolate one. Because I find toffee apples a bit too sweet for me. Oh, you bought us gangsters. Gangsters!
I did.
Yes.
And I also bought these.
This the lack of Toblerone at the top there. Oh, hold on. She's got something to show what she's bought. Da, da, da.
I can't remember the last time I went into Greg's. It's been a few years, I think.
Mm.
From Greg's, I swear.
No, fruit scones. Excuse me?
Why do you tell us this after I have a crunchy?
Oh, what a shame.
Yeah, it was too late. You were shoveling it into your
I
mouth.
still want one of them.
No, there's 4. There's 1 each for me, man.
No.
2 each for me, man. Sorry.
Okay.
Fruit scones, yes. Did you have something to say about them, by the way? Before like...
No.
Before this.
Keep going in the fridge. Keep finding Georgia's footprints in there. She's never out of the fridge. Comes home from school, fridge door. Well, food. Drink. Food. That's what she's like. So keep finding footprints in there. Actually, empty bottles. Put back. You know. Hello.
What? Ow.
So I'm busy. Yeah, just waiting for the video to render for the weekend, and I'll get that uploaded. And
Lost their seat.
yes, as soon as I get up, the cat's there. Yes, and then have that, get a cup of tea, take it to bed, and watch the followers or the following or whatever it is.
She just like jump behind you, but
I didn't know such thing.
But it's quite good that the following. I was going to say Richard Bacon, but he's off the TV, isn't he? He's like a whatever. Kevin Bacon, that's him. There's so many degrees separation from Kevin Bacon. If anybody's ever done that on the internet, check it out. Check it out on Google. See how many degrees separation they are from Kevin Bacon.